Hello and welcome to the fifth and the last section of this course. In this section, we will have an overview of the AWS elasticity and management tools. So let's get started. Amazon CloudWatch Introduction. What is Amazon CloudWatch? Amazon CloudWatch is a service that can be used to monitor AWS resources and applications in real time. We can use Amazon CloudWatch to collect and track metrics, which are variables we can measure for our resources and applications. We can also create CloudWatch alarms to send notifications or automatically make changes to the resources we are monitoring based on rules we can define.